With the different AI tools we have available, creating content is becoming so easy. You can create African folktale stories using animation and post them on your faceless YouTube channel and start making money. Hi everyone and welcome once again to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to use the simple AI tool to create animation video using your Android phone. Let's get started. Visit your Chrome browser and type in Adobe Express. After it has opened up, you will see Design Made Easy Adobe Express. Click on Animate from Audio here. Next, click on the three dots on the top right. Check through the drop-down and click on Desktop Site. Next, click on AI. And under Video, click on Animate from Audio. Next, click the drop down here to select any kind of character that fits your story. Now click on Background to select any background of your choice. Now you can either record your own voice or look for someone with a sweet voice to record for you. Click on Record and start recording whatever you want to say. When you are done recording, pause it here and click on Done. It's uploading. It's downloading now. Click on Download. Your video will be saved to your gallery. It's very simple.
Hi everyone, please don't forget to like and share this video. See you in my next video. Thank you.
Please, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get notified each time I drop a new video. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.